In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round corners on Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find the corner rounding option and how to use it confidently to give your designs a smooth, polished look. Let's get started. First, open your design in Canva and click on the element you want to edit. This could be a photo, a shape, or even a frame. Once the element is selected, you'll see a menu bar appear either at the top of the screen or just above the object itself. This is where the main editing tools live. Look for the corner rounding icon in that bar. It usually looks like a small rounded square or a shape with curved corners. When you hover your mouse over it, you might see a label that mentions corner rounding or border radius. Go ahead and click on that icon. As soon as you click it, Canva will display on-screen prompts to guide you. You may see a slider, a small input box, or both. The slider lets you visually control how rounded the corners become. Drag the slider to the right to increase the rounding, which makes the corners softer and more circular. Drag it back to the left to reduce the rounding and move closer to a sharp rectangular shape. If there's a numeric field, you can type in a specific value. This is helpful when you want multiple elements to have identical rounding. For example, you can select one element, set the corner rounding to a certain number, then select another element and apply the same value. This keeps your design consistent and clean. As you adjust the rounding, keep an eye on your design canvas. Canva updates the corners in real time, so you can immediately see how subtle or dramatic the change looks. Take a moment to experiment. Try a small rounding for a modern, minimal feel, or a larger rounding for a softer, friendlier style. If you're not happy with the result, you can always move the slider back or type in a new number until it looks just right. And remember, these changes are non-destructive, so you can adjust the corners as many times as you like while you refine your layout. Once you're satisfied with the rounded corners, simply click away from the element to deselect it and continue editing the rest of your design. That's all there is to it.